Right now the crypto market is once again focusing on Solana, SOL, one of the most popular Layer 1 blockchains in the industry. At the moment Solana is trading around $79 and showing a small 2% pump today, which has caught the attention of traders who are watching whether this movement could signal the beginning of a bigger trend. Even though a 2% rise may look small, in the crypto market these early movements sometimes happen just before stronger momentum builds. Because of this, many investors are already asking a bigger question: what could Solana's price look like by April 2026 if the current momentum continues? Solana has always been one of the most interesting projects in the blockchain ecosystem. The network was designed to solve one of the biggest problems in crypto, scalability. While many blockchains struggle with slow transaction speeds and high fees, Solana focuses on extremely fast transactions and very low costs. This is one of the reasons why developers continue building decentralized applications, NFT platforms, and DeFi projects on the network. Over time, this ecosystem growth has played a major role in supporting the value of the SOL token. The 2% pump we are seeing today around $79 may be connected to broader market movements. In many cases, when Bitcoin stabilizes or begins moving upward, large altcoins like Solana follow shortly after. Traders often rotate capital from Bitcoin into major altcoins because they expect higher percentage gains. Solana historically moves faster than Bitcoin during bullish phases, which is why traders closely watch it during early market recoveries. Another important factor affecting Solana's price is investor confidence in its ecosystem. Over the past few years, Solana has built a massive network of developers and users. Many NFT projects, decentralized exchanges, and gaming applications operate on the Solana blockchain because of its high speed and low transaction fees. As long as developers continue building on the network, the long-term demand for SOL tokens may continue increasing. When analysts look at April 2026 price targets, several forecasts give insight into where Solana could move. Some technical models suggest that if Solana breaks key resistance levels, the price could climb into the $95 to $110 range by April 2026. This would represent a significant move upward from the current price near $79 and would likely require stronger buying momentum across the altcoin market. Short-term algorithmic forecasts also suggest that Solana could rise to roughly $106 within the next month if bullish momentum continues building. That type of movement would likely happen if the coin breaks resistance zones around the low $90 range and attracts additional trading volume. However, not every forecast is extremely bullish. Some longer-term models suggest that Solana might trade between $83 and around $102 during parts of 2026, depending on market conditions and overall crypto adoption. This means the market could still experience volatility even if the long-term trend remains positive. To understand these predictions better, it helps to look at technical indicators that traders watch closely. One important indicator is the Relative Strength Index, RSI, which measures whether a cryptocurrency is overbought or oversold. Right now the RSI for Solana is close to neutral, which suggests the market is balanced and could move in either direction depending on new buying or selling pressure. Support and resistance levels are also extremely important. Analysts currently see strong support zones around the low $80 range, while resistance appears near $90 and $95. If Solana breaks above these resistance levels with strong volume, the probability of reaching higher targets increases significantly. Another reason traders remain optimistic about Solana's future is its ecosystem expansion. Over the past few years the network has become a hub for NFTs, decentralized finance, and even new meme coin ecosystems. Many viral tokens launch first on Solana because the network allows extremely cheap and fast transactions. This constant activity creates demand for SOL tokens because users need them to pay transaction fees. Institutional interest could also play a role in Solana's future price. Large investors often look for blockchain platforms that have strong developer activity and real user adoption. Solana checks both of those boxes. If institutional investors begin accumulating SOL during market dips, the price could move significantly higher. Of course, the crypto market always comes with risks. Solana has faced criticism in the past due to occasional network outages and stability concerns. While many of these issues have been addressed through upgrades, reliability remains one of the key factors investors monitor. If the network continues improving its stability, it could strengthen investor confidence and attract more developers. Competition is another factor influencing Solana's long-term future. Ethereum, Avalanche, and other Layer 1 blockchains are all competing for developers and users. However, Solana's speed and low fees give it a strong advantage for applications that require high transaction throughput. Looking specifically at April 2026 targets, the most realistic scenarios fall into three possible ranges depending on market conditions. In a conservative scenario where the market remains neutral, Solana might trade somewhere between $85 and $95. In a moderate bullish scenario where altcoins begin gaining momentum, the price could climb into the $95 to $110 range. And in a stronger bullish environment where crypto adoption accelerates, Solana could even attempt to move beyond $120 later in 2026. What makes Solana especially exciting for traders is its history of rapid price movements. In previous market cycles, SOL has shown the ability to move extremely quickly once momentum begins. When bullish sentiment spreads across the market, Solana often becomes one of the top-performing altcoins. At the same time, short-term corrections are always possible. Crypto markets rarely move in straight lines. Even during strong uptrends, coins frequently experience temporary dips before continuing higher. For long-term investors, these dips sometimes create opportunities to accumulate assets at lower prices. Right now, with Solana trading around $79 and showing a 2% pump, the market appears to be entering a period of cautious optimism. Traders are watching closely to see whether the price can break above key resistance levels in the coming weeks. If buying pressure continues building, Solana could gradually climb toward the $95 to $110 region by April 2026, which many analysts currently consider a realistic short-term target. MEXC plus 1. The next few months will be extremely important for determining Solana's direction. Market sentiment, Bitcoin's performance, and continued ecosystem growth will all influence whether SOL can reach those targets. If the crypto market enters another bullish phase, Solana could once again become one of the strongest performers among major altcoins.